So I guess they are mates. I'm not sure. Sorry for just now saying something, but I try to be quiet when I'm filming. So I'm guessing this hawk, I didn't know they hunted in pairs or hunt in pairs. But this one is in a tree. And this one is right here eating. I guess they still eating that doggone skunk. Because y'all saw the vulture at the beginning. But then this guy came in and he took over. Well, he was already out here. But he took over. So the vulture took off. So he's just out here feasting on what's left of the skunk. And I'm not sure what kind of hawk it is. I don't know if it's a chicken hawk. But, okay, sorry. A vehicle came by. So I'm not sure. I'm out here. It's kind of cold. I'm not sure what kind of hawk that is. If it's a chicken hawk or there he goes. Oh, I missed it. Damn it. He's gone. Oh, he didn't go too far though. He went to, where'd he go? Shit. I mean, shoot. Or, oh, he's blending in. There he is. He's blending in pretty good. Or it might be the female. I'm not sure. But the other one is still over there on the other side of the street. But yeah, so I thought it was pretty cool. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'd be doggone if he didn't fly off again. Bye, y'all.